week we have been learning about double-digit addition. And today we're going to go back to doing it from left to right. Okay? So all week last week and yesterday, we were doing it like this. Right? 3 plus 2 is? 5. And 2 plus 1 is? 3.
That's equal.
It is easy, right? We've been doing this all week.
35.
What is the place value of those two numbers, Madison? The ones place. And what is the place value of those two numbers, Jacob? 10. Let's remember to raise our hand and not call out the answers. Okay, so if we're looking at this number, which number is in our tens place value, Stephen?
The 3.
The 3. And which number is in our ones place value, Izzy? Which one is in our ones place value? 3, not 3. Somebody want to help her? Christiana?
The 9.
The 9. Let's look at one more.
By 3 by 9.
Which number is in our ones place value, Izzy? The 7. Good job. And which number is in our tens place, Jacob Collins? The 6. Good job, guys.
That was all. That was quick.
All right, so today we're going to go back to problems that look like this. We really struggled with this 2 weeks ago, didn't we? Some of us didn't, but a lot of us did. So we're going to go back today to looking at addition problems that are written left to right. What is the first thing that we need to identify when we're going to solve this problem, Elias? The 1. And Izzy, which two numbers are in my ones value place? Huh? 3 and what other number? 3 and 2. So the first thing we're going to do is add these two numbers together. What is 3 plus 2? Elias.
5.
5. And Anaya, where am I going to put the 5? Am I going to put it on side 1 or side 2?
Side 2.
Yep, I sure am. Good job. And then I'm going to look at our tens place, and I'm going to add those. What is 3 plus 1, Christiana?
4.
4. And I'm going to place that number where, Madison? Where the 1 is. Okay, let's try another one together. What is the first thing I need to identify, Kennedy? What's the first thing I need to identify? Somebody want to help her?
Yes.
Rakyla. We need to identify which number is in what place. Well, we have 73 plus 12, but we need to find the number that is in the ones place value. Who can tell me which number is in the ones place value, Jose? 73 is one number. The 7 is in the 10 spot, and the 3 is in the 1 spot. Which two numbers are in our 1 spot, Michaela? 2 and 3. And are we going to, which side are we going to put that on? The answer to that? On 1 or 2? 2. And 3 plus 2, how much does that equal? Steven? 3 plus 2?
5.
5. And then we're going to look at 7 plus 1. What place value is that 7 in? Jacob Collins, what place value is the 7 and the 1 in? Huh? The 10th place. Good job. And 7 plus 1 is, Liam? 8. We're going to do one more together, and then we're going to pull out our marker boards, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's do 55 plus 31. What is the first thing I am going to do, Olivia? What number am I going to identify first? I start adding with what place value? 5 and the 1. If I need to underline that when I'm working on the problem so I can remember, I can do that. 5 plus 1 equals what, Madison? 6. And am I going to place that in this, on the 1 side or the 2 side right here?
2.
Anaya, where am I putting it? 2. And then I'm going to add 3 plus 5, and what does that equal, Lily?
8.
And I'm going to place that in my tens value spot. All right, now if you can quietly pull out your whiteboard, your eraser, and your marker. If you do not have a whiteboard or a marker, you are going to use a piece of paper and your pencil. Thumbs up when you are ready. Ariana, are you going to pull out your whiteboard for me? Okay. Noah, you got your marker? Still working on it? You guys will probably need your erasers too. Some of you didn't pull them out.
Okay.
You can get a tissue to erase your board if you want, so we're not using our hands.
I'll bring tissues.
Okay. All right, so the first one we're going to try, let me show you something. The worksheet that we've got for today actually looks like this.
so.
All right, on your whiteboard, I would like you to solve 32 plus 54. And I know some of you yesterday were just writing the answer. I want to see you write the whole problem and not just the answer. 32 plus 54. That addition sign doesn't go right there. 32 plus 54. 32. Then your plus sign. 54. You don't have to draw my frame on your board. Just do the problem on your board. Okay. Thumbs up when you are done. What you need, Jose? Awesome. It's okay, you can have both for right now, okay? No worries. Thumbs up if you got your answer. Most of us. All right, let me see your boards. All right, good job. Most of you are really getting it. So the first thing we're going to do is look at what place? Our ones. What two numbers are in our ones place, Jose? What two numbers are in our ones place? 3 and 2? 2 and 4. And Jose, what does 2 plus 4 equal? Count it. 4 in your heart. Count up 2 more. Oop, try again. 4 in your heart. 4. 5. 6. Right? And am I going to put that in my tens value or my ones value? Jose? Someone want to help him, Madison? In our ones place. So on our worksheet today, it's going to go in our box labeled 1. And then I'm going to add our tens place, 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5, Lily? 8. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Get your marker boards up. $70 plus 17. Again, my friends, we don't have to draw the frame, just the math problem. We need to do it the other way. We need to be looking at it left to right and not up and down. Okay? Yep. We need to be looking at it left to right and not up and down. Last week when we had problems like this, we had you guys do it up and down. But this week, we have to learn how to solve them from left to right like this. You can't write it up and down. You have to go left to right. 70 plus 17. Thumbs up if you got the answer. Right, couple more seconds. Okay, what is the first thing that we need to identify, Noah? What is the first thing we need to identify? Talk louder. What are we going to underline? What place value? Ones. And which number are in my ones place values? What? Yeah, talk louder. I can't hear you. Let's try again. Which two numbers are in our ones place value, Maverick?
7 and 7.
I saw a lot of them doing that, and they were writing 14, and then they were like, what do we do with the extra digit?
Huh.
But
Johanna Lise.
0 and 7.
0 and 7. Remember, when we're looking at just a number, this side is our ones place, and over here we have our tens place. What is 0 plus 7? Christiana?
7.
7. And am I going to put that answer in my tens spot or my ones place? 1. Good job, Christiana. And then I need to look at my tens place. Which two numbers are in my tens place, Anaya? And what else?
1.
7 and 1. And what is 7 plus 1? Liam? 8. And where am I going to put that number? In my tens value. All right. Now we're going to do another one on your whiteboard.
Will you just make sure they're not, because a lot of them are not putting the equal sign.
I probably didn't do it right.
No, you did. They were
Okay.
just not drawing the boxes, and then some of them are not putting.
I'm not going to put the frame up there again because I think like these two spent so much time.
drawing the frame.
Okay. $78 plus 11. But friends, when we draw these math problems, Ms. Heine noticed that you guys were missing a very important feature.
Equal.
And that's that sign, that equal sign. Okay? So we need to make sure that we're adding that when we write our problems. 78 plus 11 on your whiteboard. Thumbs up if you have the answer. And Naya, you have nothing written on your board.
It's easy.
Glad you think it's easy. Hey, Christiana, I think you were missing some numbers on your whiteboard. You have 78 plus what? Can you see it? All right, couple more seconds. Christiana, it's plus 7, it's plus 11. Can you see it? All right, let me see your whiteboards. Good Good job. If you got 89, kiss your brain. All right, we're going to try a couple more before we move on to our worksheet, okay? Some of you guys really got it, and some of you are still a little confused. So we're going to do a couple more. Huh? Well, we're all a little crazy, aren't we? Oh, here's a hard one. Ready for a hard one?
Yes. Yes, please. Okay.
That is 90 plus 17. This was tripping some of you guys up on those coloring sheets that we did yesterday.
No, there wasn't. This is easy. Never.
Don't get overwhelmed. Just take it one place value at a time. You got this.
Oh, yep. You got this.
Oh, I get it now.
You get it now? This will really judge whether you understand those place values.
What? I gotta rewrite this. That's 90 plus 17.
All right, thumbs up if you have the answer.
Wait, I don't want
Couple more seconds, Maverick. Start with your ones. 0 plus 7.
Woo!
0 plus 7 is going to be 7. Pretty good. And the 9 plus 1 is? Oh, but it's not 1, it's 10. So what are you missing right there? All right, let me see your whiteboards. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Awesome, awesome. If you got, well, let's work it out together because it was a little hard. We're going to start with our ones place values, which is 0 and 7. What is 0 plus 7? Someone raise your hand, voices down. What is 0 plus 7, Yohannes?
7.
7.
And we got 10,000 Dutch rolls.
Where are we going to put that 7?
After in.
At the very end?
No.
Okay. Then what is 1 plus 9?
10.
Anaya. What's 1 plus 9?
Oh. 1 plus 9?
Yeah. That's 1 plus 9.
Easy.
Huh? 1, 0. What number is that? 10. 9 plus 0 is 10. If you got 107, kiss your brain. That was a hard one. Something that I saw though, friends, eyes up here, when you come across a problem like this, some of you guys are forgetting that 9 plus 1 equals 10. And you're leaving it like that. Just 17. Would 17 be the right answer?
No.
No, because 9 plus 1 equals what? 10. So we can't forget that 0 in there. All right, one more. Last one because we're getting a little antsy. 36 plus
100.
33.
6,000.
That's an easy one. Y'all got this.
Yeah. And I was just about to write a plus.
Thank you, Samuel, for working so hard. Thank you, Anaya, for working so hard.
Thumbs up when when you have the answer.
I'm sitting here with this picture and this video.
I got it now.
Couple more seconds. All right, let me see your marker boards. Good job. Good job, Izzy. Good
69.
job. Good job. Good job. If you got 69, kiss your brain.
They're so excited.
Because you guys got it right.
I did.
Nice to get. Okay, so now you can clean off your marker boards, put up your markers, put up your erasers. Where do we put our markers and our erasers?
And a crayon box.
In our crayon box.
Crayon box.
Don't just throw them in your desk because that's how they get lost.
No slingshot them. That is right. Goodbye. Fire.
All right, I'm passing out your worksheets. We're not going to start these yet, but please put your name on your paper. Adam Stevens. Aspen's height.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You were asked to put that marker board up.
Bruh. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that sounds like a personal problem. When are we supposed to get our pencils?
7, 8, 9.
We got 5 seconds. Five, 4, 3. This is countdown for my pencil friends. Let's go. 2.
Steven, thank you.
Okay, did everybody get a paper?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to look at the first one together. Do you see how I have this broken up for you?
Yeah, there's 10 questions.
Remind me how I can write this. Okay. This worksheet is front and back. You will do both sides. Okay? We're going to do the first one together. I have made my friends at table 2. What's happening? On our bottoms, feet under our desk, please. Thank you. Okay, 10s and 1s. I labeled your place values for you this time. Okay?
Okay.
So the first place value we're looking at is our 1s, which is our 2 and 3. If you want to underline these when you do your work and you need to do that, that's okay. You can underline them if it helps keep you focused to underline your 1s. Okay? 3 plus 2, what does that equal, friends? Elias?
5.
5. And am I putting that 5 in the 10s or the 1s, Elias?
1.
1s. And then I'm looking at the ones that are not underlined, Maverick. 2 plus 6. And Rakyla, what is 2 plus 6? Does equal 8. And I'm going to put that where? In the 10s. So the answer to number 1 is 85. You can put that on your paper.
85. I mean, 5.
Now, just like yesterday, I'm gonna set a 10-minute timer. Okay, if you are done before the timer goes off, then you may do ST Math on your tablet, or you may read a book if it's already in your desk, but we are not gonna move around for the 10 minutes. So don't say, Miss Fry, I'm done, because I'm not gonna come to get your paper, okay? You're gonna sit 1 second, I'll take your questions. We are gonna stay seated in our desk for at least 10 minutes, okay? Okay, after that 10 minutes, we can turn in our papers if we are finished. Excuse me, if we are not finished, you keep working, take your time. You do not have to finish in 10 minutes, okay? All right, make sure your name is on your paper. You can get started.
I'm already